guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janae and I'm back with another video. Sorry about this angle, but I just wanted to do a quick intro before I get to where I'm going. So I'm going to do another bike ride. I am driving right now. I'm going to do another bike ride with my friend Courtney. We're not going to go over the bridge today, but we are going to go on a little adventure. And it's going to be quite a few miles. Since you guys liked the last one, we figured why not do it again. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, my name is Janae. Make sure you hit that like button, that like button, the subscribe button, and notification bell, so you can become a part of the Perfect Vlog community, where we embrace who we are today, because we need to love self while we're chasing our next, because we know there's always opportunity for growth. And so you can see some cool videos on health, skin health, hair health, mental health, spiritual health, all that jazz. So here's your reminder. Alright, and I'm back. So as I said, we are going to
stay in the left lane.
I'm staying in the left lane. Anyways, we're going on another bike ride, and
at the traffic lights, turn left, then the destination is on your right.
And we're in Alexandria, Virginia right now. But yep. Alright. See you guys shortly. Bye. Whole bag. Say hi. Wait, don't. Say hi. Hi. Johnny was late again. Last time I was definitely on time.
I would pull up first.
Yeah, because I stopped so I can get some, like a little bar. I gotta put my hair up though. Alright guys, we're all done. Courtney, how was it?
That was tougher than last time.
Yeah, that last hill was crazy. We did 6.06 miles in 56 minutes. So we beat our time. I really can't see my face. Hoping there's no bugs in my lip gloss. But yeah. Oh, and by the way, if you have shoes, like, what are these called again that I have?
Vapor Max?
If you have Vapor Max, don't use them while riding a bike. The bottoms of them joints are weird as heck. Don't even run in them. They weird as heck. But you can walk in them. They comfy. But all right. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this. If not, tell me, give me some suggestions down in the comment section below. And thank you for watching my video. Oh, and I didn't leave my purse this time. But anyways, thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And like my Facebook page. And I'll see you guys in the next video.